Premier Doug Ford was in Burlington today to announce an expansion to mental health services at Joseph Brant Hospital, including a new day wing dedicated to youth services. Preparations are set to begin in April of next year, but as Danielle DeGraw reports, there's no clear budget on how much this will cost taxpayers.
Premier Ford says Burlington's Joseph Brant Hospital will see an expansion to adult mental health supports and a new dedicated youth wing described as a day hospital.
The expanded facility is a major step forward in improving mental health care here in Burlington and throughout the region.
The Premier mentioned his government is spending $4 billion to improve mental health supports across the province, but did not provide the projected costs of this new facility. Dr. Anna Marie Abdir, the chief of psychiatry at Joe Brant, says there's a developed functional plan based on current intake data at the hospital.
The child and adolescent day hospital will have its own wing in a dedicated space that will also have very clear dedicated staffing and linkages to the outpatient program that will really support it as well.
The two main pillars of the announcement were an expansion of adult mental health services and a new youth program to connect them with services within the community. One emergency room doctor we spoke to today said it comes at a critical time. Dr. Ian Pereira works in the emergency room. He says more and more patients are being admitted with mental health issues, and there are few resources to deal with the intake.
When that care is not available, sometimes these kids need to be admitted to hospital. And for us, that means transferring them to another center. This can be a really traumatic experience.
Dr. Pereira says the Youth Day Mental Health Wing will make it easier for young people to receive care.
This is going to allow those kids to be able to have care in their own neighborhoods with clinicians that can follow them.
But it will still be a while before these new services are available, with the government saying they're still at the planning stages. Danielle DeGraw, CHCH News, Burlington.